We're now in the middle of the jungle. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Go up there or this way?
That looks so cool. I think you're... I can't whistle. That way.
Are you serious?
Yes. Why?
Oh, we have to go that way.
Creek!
We have to meet.
Oh! Oh! We can make it there eventually, right, Manny? Oh!
Nope, we have to go that way. Don't jump.
Fuck.
This way. Go.
God damn it, Manny. There's so much poison ivy here.
Don't touch it.
I'm sorry, I'm looking around.
Don't look around. That's how people die.
See? That's how people die. How do you walk so fast?
I don't know. I'll slow down.
Onwards. Someone's coming! No, man, what are you doing? Okay, okay, don't die, don't. He's coming.
Should we move out of the way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. We've come to a crucial point in time.
I mean, there's water, rocks, and also nothing else.
There's also... Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
They went through this with bikes, Manny. It's fine. Somehow or another, we'll live. Well, this is going to make some interesting... Wait. Oh, fuck. Nice.
Wait a minute.
What?
Never mind.
Okay, arriving at the lake. This is cool. This is... Manny,
Yeah.
do the call.
Oh.
I don't know, summon them.
Caca!
Oh my god. Oh.
What was that? Worm!
Wait for this, wait for this. Get off my lawn!
No, I can't listen. Fuck.
You damn...
you?
Yeah, killed it, Manny. You damn hippies! How do you think I am? I've actually never heard my old man voice on camera, so this is gonna be perfect.
Fuck you.
Huh. Oh. Okay. Oh, that was so cool. That sounded sarcastic. Can you get down there? Oh. Ah, okay.
What do you think you're talking about?
I forgot. Like, this is amazing.
I see nothing at all.
Who would have thought? Fucking hell. Now, how do you get down? Nice. Alright, onward. Exciting if you don't catch frogs. Caught one.
Go?
Yeah, go for it. Take two.
3 actually.
Start. Is it? Oh, 3, yeah.
I went on here and then I jumped over there.
Yes. That's kind of what I was going to say. La la. Lolly. Oh.
Hey, shut up. That's crack.
Wiggle cram. Wiggle cram. Wiggle cam. Wiggle cam. Wiggle cam. Now do it backwards, can you?
No.
You can do it backwards. Oh, jeez.
Walk backwards?
No, no. Like cutting back this way.
Oh. I don't know, man. This was cracky.
Walk backwards. Oh. 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 Mad skill.
Let's go.
Fly. Did you say? Oh. Okay. On. La, la, la. Another bridge. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this one's way more sketchy.
Yeah.
That is terrifying. Whoa, that looks cool. You want to go over there?
No, not yet.
Fine. Jeez, this bridge though. God damn it. Oh, hill. Nice. Hi. Found a stick. Dope. Yeah. This is awesome. Fuck, this is so cool. Manny, get on the dock. Wait, is there like a lower level to it? I was gonna say, yeah. Oh my god. So pay attention to the floor because you might die. Oh shit. Oh, this is it. This is. Oh my god, that looks so cool. There's a hatch on the floor.
We beat him here, that's for sure.
I'm dead. Is my phone waterproof? The next one after this was. I don't know why they decided to make it not waterproof, but whatever. Whoa, what the fuck is this? What's up? Manny.
Yes.
What is this?
That's a sewer canal.
Can we?
Yes.
Awesome. Look at that. Wow. Alright, onwards. Where are these people?
I don't know.
Do the call!
Ha!
Oh, but this is so cool. Wait, does this have a fence on it? I can't tell. It does not, man. Nice. Sometimes I forget who I'm dealing with.
Oh my god!
Manny! Okay, hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Can you get down from there?
Don't go down there, you'll fall and slip.
I can imagine. Nice.
Hey, watch the cat go. I'll be like, fuck! Over, give me your head!
Can you...
Can I try?
like, what?
Can I try?
Try.
Pulling you up?
No.
Please?
No.
I won't drop you.
No.
I carried my brother. He's like 200 pounds.
That's good for him. Maybe not.
Come on.
Dude! Dude!
What?
We gotta get someone down there!
Hello? Uh-huh. Oh, never mind. That's a stork.
How do you even confuse the two? They're like different colors.
They look like more.
Alright.
You want to go check what's on that side?
Sure.
Go there.
Okay. What about over there? Do the opposite one, Manny. Why not? Oh, that works too, I guess. Okay, if that's not nauseating, then, wow. Oh, shit. Hold up.
I want to go down there, dude.
Oh, wow, that looks, it looks like a giant fucking heart.
Oh, look.
You drop the pod.
No, it's a fruit. It's sour.
Now,
I don't want to try it.
do we catch a frog? Can we catch a frog?
I don't want salmonella.
That's not enough. God damn it. Oh my god, I just had a vision where I dropped my phone and then went through this whole ordeal having to get a new one. Sorry.
I should have gone in there and got it free. Oh, no.
Oh yeah, there's a fucking... I wasn't even thinking about that. I was thinking just dropping it and like shattering. But yeah, then it'd go down there and it'd be even more impossible.
No, man, I'll go down there and get it.
I wouldn't let you. Look at it, it's filthy.
I'll go on this side.
It leads to the same one.
Exactly.
We should go down there.
When the rest of the...
Where the fuck? Oh, you know what? They're probably... That was terrifying. All right. Okay.
Let's go up there, I guess.
Should we?
Yeah,
I mean, they're coming down right now. Hi. They're like right there. Like there's worm. Oh, that's not worm. Is that worm?
yeah, that is one.
How do we? Wait, better yet.
This way. No, this way. We're not going down through that way?
Worm.
What if we go through that way?
Yeah.
Hey, help my.
Just, you think so?
You guys, what are you guys doing, dude? Look, it's so much easier just to walk right here.
I know.
Yeah, but it's no fun.
What the fuck?
Yes. Do you know what? I guess I know.
Who do you think we are?
This way, Carlos.
Fuck, this is terrifying.
I know, dude. I'm hella afraid of heights.
Fuck!
Hey, get away from me.
What? What the hell's wrong with you?
Wait.
Oh my fuck!
Hey, what is this?
Oh, it's just a banana. That's a banana slug. Ow! I got a fucking splinter.
How? You're on dirt. Fuck. I'm not really afraid of heights so much as slipping things, and this thing is slipping a lot. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna slide down it.
Can you?
Oh, should I go down there though?
Both of them look super fun.
Now I'm gonna go down this shit.
Dude, try to slide down it. The word is sauvage, Manny.
Bro, I hella fucking slipped.
Dude, that was amazing. I was like, no, because I thought I didn't.
Hey, wait, grab it on higher. Grab it higher.
I didn't see the rope too, so I was like, oh shit, this guy's dead.
Yo, this is scary. What the fuck? How'd you do this?
I slipped.
He didn't. He just slipped.
I was just like, alright. I was like trying to plan, and I was like,
It's like, all right, here. This is how. That's awesome, Manny. Worst comes to worst, there's a huge fucking tree here. I'm like 95% sure this.
Yeah, you're
Just
gonna break.
don't
Hey,
let
dude,
go
if
of
you
your
fall,
hand
you're
through
gonna
it.
break some bones, dude. I'm not gonna lie. If you fall, you're gonna break some bones.
Worth it.
yeah.
not even. You hella recording it?
Yeah.
Damn. Hey.
I mean, can you say something?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Run it. What the hell is that?
That's a little piece of fucking
Are you
snuff
ready?
right here.
What's wrong with you?
3,
Why would you do this to me?
go.
I'm not ready.
Alright.
Oh, they're going.
Now you're fine.
Oh, he's recording. He's recording.
Record it.
I'm ready.
If you record it from lower, it
Oh,
looks
no,
taller.
I know what to do. I know what to do.
Whenever you're ready.
Go.
That works too.
Wait, start over.
Hey, you should put your leg on that.
You should put a leg off.
You should.
I don't know what I just said.
How did you do it?
Look at this tree though. It's like,
I was holding it like this.
Hey, Daniel's gonna hella let it go, bro.
you think so? You think so?
Hey, start recording.
Go.
Go.
Oh my god.
Get that shit up here, yo.
Dude, it looks like a noose. It looks like he's gonna kill.
Oh, dude, I'll kill myself like that.
I think somebody killed themselves here.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm pretty sure somebody killed themselves here.
And they wanted to go with like.
They wanted to make it
bang,
like,
bro.
yeah. They want to be like
No,
flashy.
dude, like,
What do you
some
think?
guys found it here and they were like, you know what, kids come here all the time. We should, like, make it seem like a good thing.
Yeah.
And then he just hanged himself.
Hang
He-
for the
He was
cause.
just flying, bro. And he was just dying. He was
Because
flying and
this
dying.
guy is gonna do, he's gonna
dying.
hang himself,
Uh-huh.
and then he's just gonna dangle.
Ready?
Look at that
Ready?
knocked out.
Countdown.
3. I'm scared. 2. I'm gonna shit my pants. 1. Oh! Fuck!
That's so. Oh, he went again. Manny, don't let go.
Hey, do it. Someone else do it.
Oh, you
That
gonna do
was
it.
fucking sick!
I know.
Oh my god!
Oh, I hella like go hella bad though.
Michael. Are you okay? Let me see your. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Dude, let me see. Let me see.